And people I can't tell no my youth. Say some people really face it in their life and really go through hardship in their life. You a girl that she talk a while ago, she talk her story. So she don't really want to go up on camera still, but she talk her story I tell you. She say, oh, she there with a man and she and him there from her baby father and she and him there from she go to school, them at talk and tell them get big and have a youth and build a house and time to be that him start deal with her bad. Him start deal with her bad and she goes to Bam and she cut out and leave him at the house and I say she work and really build the house and she leave him at the house. And she goes to Bam and left country and she come at town. See him? And goes to Bam there with a man and the man I deal with her a real and one man beat her and say the first time the man beat her, so she pop her last back. See him? Have one jazz, one Brazil.